Good morning. It's finally time to do the van tour. We're going to walk through. We're going to do the inside today and we're going to do the outside next week. Just keeping it short and sharp if at all possible. It's a 2016 Renault Master long wheelbase and mid-height roof. Let's jump into it. And by external tour, I mean we're not just going to walk around it like we are now. We're going to have a look at the systems. We're going to have a look at the thing that makes it tick: the batteries, the solar, the plumbing, all the electrical, all the good stuff. If we're in the United States of America, we'd now be entering the driver's door, but we're not. We're in Australia, and this is the passenger's door. Here we've got a 12 volt USB outlet. This is run from the house batteries, and I might even still just swap that out for one that's got a voltmeter on it. That way I can check the input when we're driving along, and I have the DC to DC charge running, and next to that is a 240 volt. We're going to from the inverter, and we use that just for charging the laptops. The cooktop is a 2-burner induction cooker, runs off the batteries and the inverter, so we can basically cook a meal anywhere. It doesn't matter where we are, we don't need shore power, we can just run the batteries. And I've put up a video which is about battery usage, and you'll see a bit of handy information there if you want to check it out. The ceiling's made out of Tasmanian oak. We had that buzzed down from 11 or 12 mil down to 6 mil. Reasoning we wanted to reduce weight, had the same end result to look at, and we wanted a high-end sort of finish. But what I learned from that is that a cheaper way to do it, and probably a way to get straighter boards, would be just to cut down strips of 6 mil ply. The fridge is a 90-litre Glacio, and while it offers spectacular value for money, it does use a lot of power. When we went away for the first weekend, battery just kept going down and down and down, so we came back and we got a third battery and a third solar panel. Can keep up with it now, but shore power comes in handy every now and then. I made the window surrounds in the bedroom there and the bathroom out of pine, glue, a router, and a hell of a lot of time. But it's totally doable, so just don't be afraid to have a go. One thing I didn't allow for in the design stage for the electrical system was the fact that once I put these cupboards in, it covered all of the batteries and electricals, so we ended up putting some struts on the bed base, and it's really happy with it. It's in a couple of the other videos that I've posted, so look for the electrical repair one, and also we're going to cover that in next week's systems video as well, which I'm really looking forward to. I got a drone for Christmas from my daughter and her partner. Thank you, Barry and Emma. And I'm going to break that out of the box next week, and we're going to get some shots of the solar panels. Hopefully, not scare the solar panels with some dangerous flight.